Welcome, Panda-Frog here, and we are doing the drawing from the Bad 100 giveaway. I had 42 entries, so it's amazing. And I told you every 5 I give another log, so we are 8 plus 1, so 9 logs. If you remember, this was my entry, basically. It can be opened just by clicking like a tension wrench or whatever. So this will be the first winning. Of course, the first log, it is an original IKEA log, which is probably as bad as mine, and I want to see how bad it is. Okay, so like always, stop. Like always, I put every name in my little Wheel of Fortune here, and I will press the play button, then we'll see who has won. Alright, so here it goes. Here was nothing. And it is Fascia. Alright. Congratulations, buddy. I guess this pack of logs goes to Switzerland. So what is in the package? Got a couple stickers, as I told you. This log, I of course add one of this Swiss edition log. I have a Boccia, or however you call it. It's a dimple log, and it's a 60 mil. Yeah, 60 mil. I got a Quadra, Karat, so we are at 4 Burgwächters. Another 4 logs you need, and I have an Carver 8 here, brand new. Not brand new, I just received them. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got a Queso 1000. It will be log number 7. I got a Tokots, whatever that is. It is like a wafer log. It's a fun pick. I picked this one already. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm throwing in a teeny tiny 65-15. I know you probably can get it where you are right now, but yeah, have fun with that. Alright, everybody, thank you for doing an entry into this giveaway. It was a really fun one. I really enjoyed every last video. Fascia, congratulations. It was fun. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.